So it's Monday again, and we're doing this flank of brickwork today. If we get this up, I'll be happy. Nice steady Monday. It's 10 o'clock, I think. It's 10 o'clock, I'll check it. So we're going to run it. This is what we did the other day. We'll finish off this morning. Run this down here. Sorry Dean, I'm just doing a bit of tubing. And then I'm going to run this flank here. Same again, all the way here. Tail it out to there with a 6 foot level. Same again, internal setup. T-clamp, tie up to your brick. Leaves you, normally with the, with the nature of the brick, you get a couple of mil each side at T-clamp. Then gable profile, stabiliser. Nice and easy. I was going to put one profile there, but it's under scaffold and I can't be bothered. I'll just tail it out for what it is. 7 bricks. There we go. See you in the next clip. Right, it's 4:15 and this is what we got. We've got it all up. That's up to height. That needs headers under, well that's basically finished up to height there. And start the other side tomorrow if we've got some gobbo. So it's 9:30 today and setting some profiles up and stuff. Managed to get a tub. It's a bit shitey, that's the silo, but we'll show what we're doing. So as you know, there's a lot of openings all the way around this plot. And I've mentioned we're leaving the blocks out, so Dean's just going over these trays with a lat, loosening any chunks. So we leave it a day after we've built, and then it hardens up a little bit, enough to clump together. And we're just emptying these trays with his hands. It's a 10-15 minute job, but it saves you tons of effort putting lats in. As you can see here as well, there's this to clean here, but we'll access this as we go. So we'll loosen all this before we start building today, and then this block will come out here. And away you go. And obviously you've seen these, I flush these up as I go. So as I'm doing that first course, I'll flush up. I just find you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone while you're laying. So yeah, right. We're going to set a profile up now here. I've got to sort of bend down to get that one on. Obviously you only need 1 F clamp on, so it's it's ideal really. You can get 1 F clamp down there on that second break. I'm going to put one up there and then an internal. And then I'm going to run this through, because this is where the 3/4 are in this corner where that half was. And then this is only 8, 6, 7 course on the top, so I'll just build this up to the window freehand, rack a little corner back. My aim is today, with the gobbo we've got, which is the full one, it's fucked, it's pretty fucked gobbo, but it's going to need knocking up as we use it, to get fucking this front up to that height there. And I've just left the windows racked 2 course from the top, just to go, we can slide it, when we slide his frames in we can get his tags in. And you don't get to, well if you do, you want your framing really to give you, shape your window a bit better. So, right, on to the next clip. We're here again, back again. So this is what we got done yesterday. It's front up, all the way around. Just a couple of course down from sill height. So we've loaded this out this morning, got these frames in. We've got some ready mix up, and the silo's getting filled tomorrow, so we're going for some snap now. And then we're going to try and build this block all the way up. I'm going to rack back from my windows here, just so I know my frame will fit. And then I get this if I can get this flank all the way up to window right here, I think I'll be happy. Right, see you in the next clip. Right, we've got a bit of blockwork in. About 1 o'clock we are on now. I'll show you what we're doing. I'm going to build this little corner, get a bit more footage for you. Put that up there. It's ready mixed, so it's a bit wobbly, wibbly wobbly. So I'll leave it at that, just last course to go on. I'm going to build this corner here, put that corner up that frame, run this little section in here, and then I'm going to bang a corner up there and rack it back so I can get my frame tags in my frame, because I'm not going to put a frame on there, it's not going to back it up enough. I'll run it up to that frame, 3 course. That frame should be sturdy enough to hold it really. Don't really need a brace in it. Yeah, might put a brace on it before we leave. And then I'll run this, build this little corner up to here, up to this frame, and then I'll do a little bit on front, and I think we'll call it a day then. Yeah, right, I'll see you in the next clip.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Got a full day in the end. It's 20 past 3. We got this up. I'll have a quick count, so I'll show you how many I've done. Not much. We spent loading about 120 block there, roughly, with the briquettes on. We've only got this left to get to IT here now, this little section. That's us. That's us. So made the most out of the crap day. Right, see you in the next one.